Welcome to Premier V Center and inside a brand new model for Coachman and Freedom Express, the 2024 258 BHS, really replacing their previous model, the 257 BHS, and it does kind of blend in features from its larger cousin, the 287. So we're going to take you through some of the updates and some of the new features on this particular coach. Something I didn't mention on the outside video, but this unit is equipped, or we've equipped it with 200 watts of solar, and the charge controller is ready for a second 200 watts panel should you ever wish or need it, but you are already well equipped here with 200 watts off the bat, so something that I think most people, especially if it's in storage and as you come back in between trips, you're going to find that that's something that you'll definitely use and definitely makes life a little bit easier for you. Right as we come in the door, some wonderful features here. The fact that monitor panel is right there so we can see how full our tanks are, turn on all our lights, open our slides and awning. Everything's right where you want it in terms of controls. I love the fact that 2 steps into the door, you've got the great bathroom here, so it's accessible in the road. Slide out does not factor into the bathroom, and you have the largest shower in a bunk model under 30 feet that Freedom Express has ever done. So you've got a really nice large shower stall here with glass doors. So really great here if you're on an extended trip. You're going to appreciate that. Lots of room and storage between the vanity and the medicine cabinet. We've got a porcelain toilet here. We've got some hooks already set up for you, so it's well set up for storage, and you've got some extra room here to add some storage where you may wish to have it as well. We do have a skylight above the shower as well as a vent to get rid of that humidity, and we are ducted for AC and heat into the bathroom as well. Immediately to our left as we come in the door, we've got the oversized bunks here. Love the fact that they added a back window to the top bunk, so a little bit of additional light here coming into the coach. You've got individual bunk curtains, so especially if you've got kids at different age, very helpful. Love the fact they went to a snap-on blackout screen, so it truly is blackout, and especially if you have young kids, you're going to appreciate that. You are going to have some power as well as USB in the bunks, so you should then need to charge devices. And then on the bottom, you've got a very multi-function design, so you can lift this up as well, in and out of the way, should you want to add some bikes in there, bike storage. Should you wish to, put a couple kids' kayaks underneath there, so it's going to be very multi-purpose. You do have a standard ladder that will come with it. Brackets are already there, so it's nice and secure, nice and easy to get up and in. And as we come into the main portion of the coach, beautiful wraparound, large U-shaped dinettes that everybody loved from the 257. You've got their table that is removable, so it's not fixed to the floor, so that can come outside and be your primary dining table should you wish, with your nice large awning. Makes a great bed that's going to be a queen length as well, kind of a double width but queen length, so if you had an extra couple for a weekend or some taller kids or need that third bed option, it's going to have that for you. Great storage too, so you've got easy access from the top but also from the front 2 doors, and then you're going to notice little finger pulls here in the middle, so easy to slide that open, tuck some items there you don't necessarily use every single day. We are going to have a nice dark pleated shade for you, so again you can keep this area nice and dark. There's a nice tint as well, a nice dark tint on it as well, and that is directly across from the television, so it does allow many of you to sit around here, put feet up and those sorts of things and watch a movie, especially if you happen to put the table outside. Again, it's going to give you more freedom there, but lots of different angles that you can see it on. So very multi-function entertainment area here, so you not only have the television, which for this model year 2024 is a smart TV. Previously they were not, so it'll upgrade on the television. You've got Bluetooth stereo here, so you can stream music to it and the speakers inside and out, and then you do have some additional GFI plugins as well. So it's not only entertainment, but it is also that multi-function pantry as well as closet. So you have a removable shelf here right in the middle, and then you've already got the bracket to be able to hang some coats. So again, you can decide how you wish to use it. That could be all pantry for you guys. Again, really depends on the family size and how you want to use it, but you've got lots of room to play with, some areas where you could put some shoes, boots, things like that as well. So again, they're trying to give you as much storage as they can. They appreciate that some families or bigger families, especially if you're on long trips, storage is at a premium here, so everywhere you can have storage, you will certainly have it here. So lots of drawers to work with, lots of area to, again, put away dishes. You've got a nice big stainless steel sink here, and then you've got range. You do have a built-in backsplash all the way around, so the walls are well protected. And I should mention as well, you have interior walls that are made of Asdel, so that can absorb water. And then that same Asdel composite product is also married to the outside fiberglass. So again, if you have a little bit of water infiltration at some point because you miss some maintenance, you have something there to protect you that's not going to absorb water. Love the fact for this year that they added this little riser here, something I noticed as I went through it. So previously it was always very wide open and people would add items to be able to stack things. So you kind of had a dedicated area there with a bit of a lip that you can put your glasses in there and they're not going to be flying around, or your favorite mug that you got for Christmas from the kids. You've got a dedicated spot for it. Great if you're looking for a bedtime snack because you've got easy access to the fridge. If you're in the bedroom here, you've got a dual access fridge door. And if you're loading, easy access from both sides. So very tricked out. Like the fact that when that is in, you still have access to it if you want to get things from the fridge on the road, or if you're stopping to get groceries, you're still going to have that functionality and be able to get to it. So you do have the privacy door here, so a little hidden pocket door here. So again, you guys have privacy in the front. You're going to have a full 60 by 80 queen bed. You've got a fully redesigned front end in terms of storage. So you've got dedicated plugs here along the floor with USB as well as 120. You've got an emergency exit window here. You can leave out about 6 inches. You do have, again, cabinets here all the way around. Love the depth here on the top, and love the fact that you now have a slow close on the top. Love it. You've got hanging storage, 2 drawers on either side, which you did not have for last year. And they are certainly listening to the folks that do have CPAP machines or things like that. So you're going to have a dedicated plug on either side of the bed and a little cubby to put a CPAP machine if you need it. A little shelf there that's great for a book and glass of water. So you've got a lot of power around the bed if needed. You have individual reading lights here. You've got a blue as well as a white light, depending on the amount of light you need. They are flexible, so again, you can angle them where you wish. You do have a pre-wire for a television in the bedroom, so easy to add a bracket here, or we can add a bracket and television for you. And then you do have an additional vent in the roof. Everything is ducted for air in here as well as heat. So if you do have that door closed in the summer or in the fall, you're going to get the heat or AC as you would need it. So really, really great family coach that can really grow with a growing family, because again, you have that additional big length bed with the dinette that could be made should you need it at some point, or even if it's just for guests. But at just a very high level of standard equipment, really nothing to add here. You really have it all. And then factoring in that solar on the roof is just going to allow you to do more, take more sites that don't necessarily have power depending on your needs. We'd invite you down to Premier RV Center to come have a look at this brand new floor plan for 2024, now on site, the 258 BHS in Coachman's Freedom Express series.